How many hours to study each day? That is today's topic. My name is Aravind and I am here to help you learn faster. If you are interested in learning how to learn, then consider subscribing this channel and click the bell notification. Follow me on Instagram because I am posting a new study tip video every single day. Every one of us has 24 hours a day to manage our activities. To get effective outcomes regarding our studies, it is important to manage the balance between the health of mind and our body. Our mind as well as our physique must receive good amount of comfort to function properly. Out of 24 hours, you must receive a good sleep for a minimum of 7 hours. The sleep of fewer than 7 hours will not give your mind and body enough time to regain its lost energy in daily activities. So 7 hours sleep is important. Other than these 7 hours, every student spends at least 6 to 7 hours in his classes. Either you are a school student or a college student, it becomes necessary to attend the classes for an average of 7 hours. It doesn't matter whether you attend online classes or physical lectures. The time required for either of them is more or less the same. If we sum up the time spent on these two tasks, 14 hours out of 24 hours are spent in these two activities only. Among the remaining 10 hours, a norm of 3 hours is spent in activities like eating, taking shower, etc. The remaining time that you are left with is 7 hours which you can invest in your studies. But don't you think this is quite less time to manage your huge syllabus? To manage your studies vigorously, you need to be clear with the following things. The first among these is to rectify the time you can focus on your studies with complete concentration. This time can be different for each of us. It is possible that if one can focus for 30 minutes, the other can concentrate for 1 hour. So have a note of the timing you are able to focus on your studies. Usually, you are likely to attain your focus timing score in the range of 30 to 50 minutes. It would be nice if you take small periods in between the learning times. You can divide your schedule as per your flexibility, inserting small intervals of breaks in between. Much better results can be accomplished if you continue your studies for 30 minutes and then take a small split break of say 5 minutes before another 30 minutes interval. Make sure you don't divert your attention in the learning interval. These little breaks are to relax your eyes, mind and body. A duration of 5 to 7 minutes is the most advisable time for a pause. After each break, you are ready to start again new. Another thing to check with is the learning pattern you are comfortable with. Some students are flexible with reading, while some need writing practice as well. Some are fond of understanding the concept in pictorial or video format, while some need a combination of all the above. You must know what your study pattern is. What applicable pattern will retain the learned insights for a long time. Understanding of your learning pattern will ultimately decide the timing you will need to invest. If you are fond of noting down everything, you will need more time to invest in your study hours. Moreover, understanding each concept with the videos will add up your time. So it is important to arrange your study timings as per your requirements. You can either write down all the notes in the first 30 minutes and memorize them in the next 30. Or you can divide your topics by your timings. Like for shorter topics, 2 sections in one single 30 minutes interval, and for bigger sections 1 or 2 30 minutes sub interval. You can spend 45 to 60 minutes each day solving and practicing the mock tests and question papers on the section that you have prepared. This will give you an idea regarding how well you are able to grasp up that everything. You can immediately implement those changes if you feel to modify your study plan based on the outcomes of the practice tests. If you can apply all these in your plan and stay firm on this agenda, you will see excellent outcomes in merely 8 to 15 days. You will observe that you can retain all the studied sections for a longer time. If you think this video is helpful, then comment, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing this channel. See you next week with my another video.